In my last video, I told you that I would share with you how you can register for the KARMA DAO Project for free and make passive income for yourself. Before we proceed, please note that this video is strictly for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Cryptocurrencies involves risk, so you are strongly advised to do your own research and only participate with what you can afford to lose. Now, by registering for the KARMA DAO project for free, you will earn 2 sKARMA token daily. One important thing you should know about the KARMA DAO token is its potential to appreciate over time. The token started at $0.013 in August last year 2025, and as of today it has reached its highest price ever of $0.02. This means that anyone who joined the project early may have benefited significantly from the price growth over time. However, past performance does not guarantee future results. To register for free, you need the following. 1. A centralized wallet such as Token Pocket, SafePal, or any other supported decentralized wallet. 2. A referral link from someone who has already registered for the KARMA DAO project. Note, if you need a link from me, you can check my comment section or the description of this video. Once you have the 2 requirements above, follow these steps carefully. Copy the referral link and paste it on your Token Pocket browser as shown, or on your SafePal browser as shown. In the wallet, set your network to Polygon network. You will be prompted to connect your wallet address, which you should do. Choose whichever wallet you are using. If it is SafePal, click on SafePal. If it is Token Pocket, click on Token Pocket. After successfully connecting your wallet, you will see the option Join KARMA Airdrop. Click on it to join the airdrop. After this has been done, you can purchase at least 1,000 KARMA token to earn 1% of your investment daily. Or if you don't want to invest, you can copy your referral link from your dashboard and go to any browser such as Chrome browser, Opera, and so on, and then paste it there, and you have a prompt to connect your wallet. You connect your wallet. After connecting your wallet, you will see link your email. So you do so, link your email successfully. After linking your email successfully, that means you are eligible to claim 2 sKARMA tokens daily. And if you can claim up to 1,000, you can convert it to 100 KARMA token that can be swapped to USDT. Subscribe to Go to Income to learn, research, and discover crypto opportunity the smart way. In my next video, I will share with you practical steps for registering for free. See you in my next video.